Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my fidget toys collection. Okay, first I'm going to show you wacky tracks or flipping magic chain. Is this? So you can hear the sound. And you can make it into any shape you want. And then the next two is when you put it together. Okay. So there is a wacky tracks or flipping basic magic chain. Okay, so this is my first fidget toy collection. My next type of fidget toy is fidget cubes. See, this one is the metallic fidget cubes. Rolling, and then you can press the button. And then this one is the glowing dark. And this one is colorful. And this one is the colorful too. This one is the clear type of fidget cube. Okay. So this is fidget cube. The next one is flipping bicycle chain. I have 4 of them. And you can get this from the Walmart because you could do like this. So this is flipping bicycle chain. The next one I am going to show you is infinity cube. I have 4 of them. It's fair. I got this from online, so I don't know where else you can get them. But most of the fidget toys I got it from either Walmart or Target. But most of them that I showed you right now is from Walmart. And there is another one too. Okay, this is infinity cube. The next one I'm going to show you is sensory pop tubes. Using this trigger. What time is it? Okay. I'm going to do part 2 of this video since I have so many fidget toys. And the next one I'm going to show you is the glow in the dark. I have 6 glow in the dark fidget tubes. So this first 3 is this. The next 3 is this. This one is you just put this together. And then the smaller one you can put it together by twisting it. See? And then you need to twist it to open it. Okay? And for this part, my last fidget toy I'm going to show you is Puppet. Okay. You can do like this, you can play with this. And if it's like this. And I have 3 more. Okay. Okay. See? This one is another one. And this one is this. And this. Okay, so there is not all my fidget toys, but I'm going to show you in part 2 in just a moment. Okay? Okay, I will see you soon. Bye bye.